So here's how to make your inflatable costume COVID safe. I like to have fun, but I like to have safe fun. So I went online and I bought these vacuum bags. They are HEPA filter bags, which means they're really great at protecting against particles, liquid particles getting inside your mask. I know some people line their masks with them. So here's this chart. It shows the filtration efficiency. And the HEPA vacuum bags are like the highest, so why not? Any protection is better than no protection. So go ahead and rip off the cardboard. So the fan has a ring. Take the ring off the fan and put it inside the filter bag. Add some tape to kind of just secure it in place. I added some tape around the inside just to get it on there so that you know the fabric is locked in the hinge, and then twist it on. That's it. It's very simple. It takes a minute for the costume to inflate, and it also looks kind of stupid, like you have a bag just hanging off your costume. But I'm telling you, it's so smart to go ahead and filter the air coming into the costume. Make sure the bag is puffed up, or you're not going to get enough air in there. You want it to be as puffy as possible. I am going to infuse mine with some wire just to keep the bag open, because if the bag's squished closed, it will not take in air as fast as these costumes need. So yeah, there you have it. Just make sure the bag stays puffy and gets air in there. It blows up pretty fast, as you can see. I'm doing in this real time. And yeah, so have fun. Get out there. Thanks for watching. If you're wondering why I didn't just put the fabric over the fan, it doesn't get enough air in there. I tried it. That was my first practice run. I put the filter right on top of the fan, and it just doesn't get enough air. The costume will not inflate. You have to have the space in the bag to really get the air in there as fast as you need it. So I know it doesn't look as clean because you have a bag hanging off your costume, but like I said, something's better than nothing.